Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the video background on Zoom application. So to do that, you just need to open the Zoom application. So let's open the Zoom application. And right after we open it, we just need to take a look on this button features. There will be like 5 sections. Go click more. And right after that, we just need to go click the setting part and go click this meetings. In this meetings, there will be like several options. One is about the audio and the other one is about the video. So if we want to change the video background, go focus on the video. And now just need to go visit the background and effects. And you will have an access into the Zoom camera. So this is the current background that I use for my Zoom video. So this is the way how it looks. So if you want to change the background, you just need to explore the background that you have down here. Slide into the upper side and you just need to pick which background that you want to use. And if you haven't had any or haven't uploaded into this gallery, go click this plus button to export your photo library. And here I would like to use this one, and you just need to go click bring the this part back, and here is the results. Now the background is already changed. So that is the way how to change background on the Zoom. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.